Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the truck tent from Rightline Gear for the 2020 and newer Jeep Gladiator. Before I get into today's product review, if you guys like these videos, do me a huge favor and make sure you hit that subscribe button. So be sure to catch this as well as all of our latest product reviews and plenty more. Now there's a number of advantages to getting your tent up off the ground when you're camping. Of course, it gets you out of the dirt and the mud, away from those creepy crawlies, and it means you're not setting up your tent over a rocky, potentially uncomfortable surface, or spending a ton of time trying to find a flat campsite. Now, that's where the Rightline Gear Truck Tent comes into play. It transforms the bed of your Gladiator into a great dome-style tent, comfortable enough for 2 adults. That potentially means that you can turn anywhere you can park your Gladiator into the perfect campsite. Now, we know that the bed of the Gladiator measures 5 feet from the cab to the tailgate. But once you fold that tailgate down, well, now we've got over 80 inches from front to back, which means you should have no problem stretching out to get comfortable inside of the truck tent. If we take a look at the outside, we see that it's made from a very high quality, weather-resistant fabric with tape-sealed seams. And if we take a look around the side, we see that we've got 2 large triangular zip-down windows with insect repellent mesh screens in place, one on each side of the tent. And again, up top, we've got some great sky view vents with that same mesh installed there to give you a great view of the stars when you're sleeping inside of the truck tent while keeping those bugs on the outside instead of the inside of your tent. Now, if the weather happens to not cooperate with you, there is an included Rainfly that you can throw over top of the truck tent, and it simply secures in place with 3 of these heavy-duty buckles running down each side of the tent. Now, getting the truck tent installed on the back of your Gladiator is a pretty easy process. Like most tents out there, it'll probably take you a few extra minutes the first couple times that you set it up. Once you get the hang of it, I bet you can have the truck tent installed and ready to use on the back of your Gladiator in under 10 minutes from start to finish. Once you pull the tent out of the included stuff sack, you'll simply start by slipping it around your tailgate in the folded down position. Then we can lay it over the bed area of the Gladiator, pulling down each of the couple straps on the sides here and attaching the non-marring heavy-duty plastic buckles to the bottom side of the truck bed. Now, the great thing about using these straps means that they don't need to be attached to any specific spot, so that makes the truck tent compatible with a wide variety of different accessories for your Gladiator, whether you've got some aftermarket fender flares installed or maybe some rock sliders or a different bumper. Well, you've got a lot of flexibility in exactly where you need to attach those straps, so it should be compatible with all of those accessories. Once you have the straps and buckles in place, we can go ahead and unfold our tent poles. We've got 3 tent poles, 2 of them color-coded with orange bands that are going to install right into these 2 pockets with the orange fabric sewn around the edge. And the 3rd gray tent pole is going to slip right into this pocket with the gray fabric, making a very user-friendly setup. Now, once you pop the tent up into place, go ahead and adjust your straps to get a nice tight fitment all the way around the truck bed. At that point, you're pretty much finished with your install. That is, of course, unless the weather looks like it might take a turn, and then you can go ahead and throw that Rainfly up on top, strapping it down and buckling it with those 3 buckles down each side of the tent. Now, one of the things that makes the Rightline Gear truck tent so easy to install is that it is a floorless style tent, and if we check out the inside, I can show you what I mean. So here, looking into the truck tent, you can see exactly what it means to be a floorless tent. There's no fabric sewn into the tent that drops down into the truck bed of your Gladiator. Now, the great thing about that is that if you have a bunch of gear already in your truck bed, say your sleeping bags, blankets, and pillows, it means you're not throwing them out into the dirt while you're setting up your tent. You can leave everything high and dry and clean right there in your truck bed. Go ahead and pop up the tent right over top of everything. Once it's up and in place, well, all you have to do is go ahead and unroll your sleeping bags and you're all set to get a good night's rest on your next camping adventure. Now, if we take a look inside, we can see we've also got some great accessories and features on the inside here, like these large pockets, the perfect place to store things like your cell phone, maybe a portable battery charger or a flashlight while you're inside of the tent. And speaking of a light, well, right up here at the top, we've got a great hook, the perfect place to hang a flashlight or maybe a portable battery-powered lantern. But of course, don't forget, because the truck tent is utilizing the bed of your Gladiator, well, you may have some features built right into your truck bed, like we've got some LED lights on both sides here to help illuminate the inside of the tent, and depending on your features, well, you may even have a power accessory outlet right here in the back that you can utilize when you're inside of the tent as well. If we take a look at the door of the tent, we can see it virtually takes up the entire back of the tent, making it very easy to get in and out of the truck tent. Of course, we've got two toggles that make it easy to tie it up out of the way when you want to climb in and out. Of course, when it's time to close up that door, well, we simply have to pull those two toggles out of the loops. We've got one zipper along the bottom. And then another zipper that runs across the top and down the side. And as you can see, we've got some great flaps over each of the zippers here to help prevent any rain or water making its way through that zipper should the weather turn on you. The other nice feature about the door, you can see it's a double layer construction. So we've got a great privacy layer and a mesh layer that's going to allow some great airflow through the tent when you're inside, but keep those pesky bugs on the outside where they belong. Now, if you guys want to get more information or to purchase a truck tent from Rightline Gear for your Gladiator, you can click that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the tent or how to get it set up on your truck, you can always leave this for me down in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.